Okay guys, this is the new house that's being built in the back. So that's where Dad is staying at. And Lisa and the kids. But this is the new house. It's a 2-story house. Downstairs is where Mama's gonna stay at. Right now they're still fixing the foundation and fixing the septic tank that's going to be installed for the bathrooms. The best dryers is using the sun. Here's the back of the house of Mama's room. Auntie Valley and Uncle Pina staying in there for now. Yeah, this is the laundry being hung, sun dried. Here's the septic tank. And there's my kangama basket flying, but this is the septic tank that is still being built. All these bricks are handmade by the boys, which is a lot of work. Which I'm gonna post some videos on how they make the bricks. This is Dad's shop in the back here. It's a Epeleafiaelepeaiga. Dad and Tana up to making something. Here's the shop. This is where they make the cement and the bricks to build the house. We have here the house from this side. As you can see, it needs a lot of work, but it's in the inside that we need to go check out. A lot of hands went into helping build this house, but it takes a lot of money too to get this done. So here's where they mix the cement. This is part of the job. I'm going to take you inside. A lot of progress, but check out the ceiling right now. It's really cooler in here compared to the house. So I believe this is going to be the kitchen. Here's the front door. We have a nice mint color. Those are the stairs that's going to be built going upstairs. But looking from here, from the entrance, it looks really nice. The windows being installed within these last 2 weeks. I believe this is going to be the living room. It's going to be out here. And as we walk down over here, Mama's room is right there, right in front of you. We got the house right back there. This house is solid. It's really nice. As you can see, there's no flooring yet. Tiles are ready. Uncle Afa chose a good color scheme and a good design for the house. Here's the bathroom. The walls are up. I'll post the pre and the now so you can see the progress. Take a look at the bathroom. They're still fixing the pipes for the bathroom. So bathrooms here, walls are up. Mama's room is right there. be so much easier for her just to have her bedroom here and the bathroom, and then she has her living room, and then she just has her, she can look out, and then her kitchen. Guys, we really need to come together and help finish up this house. Our parents have been working hard and having meetings and discussing, and it's really hard to kind of complete things when you don't have the money. So whatever you can, please contribute and let your parents know what you can contribute, and you know, communicate with them in helping together finish up Mama's house. Right now this house has been in the making for, I want to say it has been in the making for a couple of years, but these past 3 weeks family came together to do what they can, especially with the bricks and the manpower that went into it, and then the windows. But I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, our mama really needs to have her own living space, and where she's staying right now, it's, you know, it's manageable, but it can be better, and having her move down here would really make a difference with her legs and her feet, and especially the condition she's in. She really needs to limit her walking because, you know, her balance isn't too well, and so especially sometimes she forgets where she goes, or you know, the direction she's going, but this will help her where she just has one direction to go in, and it's so much cooler here for her. And hopefully we can come together and get this house finished as soon as possible. Right now Mama's progress with her health condition, we don't know how much long we have. The cancer is spread throughout her brain, and she still has that clog. At nights she'll sleep and she'll have headaches, and you know, we try to reduce the pain or do the best we can, but this house needs to be finished ASAP. And I wanted to let you guys know that this is real. It's real. What's going on here is real, and we need your help. We need your help, especially for our mama, especially for our family. Contact your parents if you have any questions. Right now, Uncle Lauli and Uncle Feangai and Uncle Sangaunga is here right now. If you have any questions on the updates and anything of the supplies they may need, or sending whatever money you can. But guys, life here is super hard, and I know wherever we are at, it's hard as well. But with the days and months, or even years that we have left with Mama, let's provide her with at least the house that she deserves. Okay, you guys, Mama sends her love. We all send our love to all of you guys all over the world. Whatever successes, whatever challenges you may be going through, please know that you are always blessed, especially with the family here in Samoa, and especially with the blessings of Heavenly Father and the love of our family. Epeleafiaelepeaiga. Fire will diminish, but families are forever. May we forever be together and come together and provide for the needs of our family, especially with love. Whatever you guys can, guys, just send it down. Whatever you guys can. Even if you send yourselves, that's even better. Make your way here, guys, to help out. Make your way here to spend time with Mama. Okay, guys. That's it for now. Love y'all. Bye.